Just recently, the Teuna Classic tax bond recently bond 728,353,719 Teuna Classic LUNC coin by tax bond. 728 million. Wow. Can tax bond ever destroy 500 million coins in just a single day? Because there was a project that they believe can destroy 10 to even 80 billion coins in a day. That was what we meant to believe when they started, but it's no longer that way. For me, I don't see tax bond burning 200 million in one day. It will be difficult for now, but I still believe that Teuna Classic LUNC tax bond can still help a lot, just because of the market volume is not really big. We'll have seen a lot of, Teuna Classic tax bond would have burned more coins than what they have already burned right now. But I still believe that Teuna Classic is going to rise. Now, I believe that tax bond right now, as I'm time of recording this, have destroyed 728,353,719 Teuna Classic coin, which they have also removed from the circulating supply. And right now, they are almost hitting 1 billion bonds. But I still believe that Teuna Classic still needs a lot. They have a lot to go. So please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by, and let's hope for tax bond to continue to burn more coins than what they are burning right now. I hope, and I will give all the best to keep on talking about Teuna Classic. But right now, what we are hoping for mostly is for tax bond to destroy Teuna Classic LUNC more quickly. Please, thank you. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.